Okay, so next up is the wind noise test. I've got my fan here off to the side. You can probably hear the wind noise, right? So we'll see how the edifiers handle the wind noise. Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU. Go doing a quick mic check on the EDIFIER X5 Pro. We are now testing out how they handle wind noise to see if it kind of blocks some of that sound out. And once again, microphone check 1, 2, microphone check 1, 2. Let me know what you guys think. Again, this is the wind noise test on the EDIFIER X5 Pro.